Hey, how you doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Largo, Florida. Giving a little promo to a longtime friend and also user of Deluxe Vehicle Detailing long before it was Deluxe Vehicle Detailing. I just finished up her 1998 Nissan Frontier. This is her daily work truck. It's got fair amount of etchings. I'll try and bring you in close here. It's so sunny, I gotta be honest, I can't see anything on the screen. But she recently had a little paint work, had it spruced up. They got the color match pretty good. Probably won't even be able to tell there between the two colors, but she had you know, not the whole truck painted, but parts. And I used a combination of Meguiar's, sorry, I got thinking about something. Meguiar's Ultimate Fast Finish followed by 3D HD Poxy. Love that stuff. Hey, here I am. Hey, how's everybody doing? It's hot in Florida today. It's already in the 80s and it just turned noon here in February 25th, I believe it is, 24th.